Sherilyn and Foodie Chatter. Today we are going to make some pork dumplings, or we usually call it in the Philippines pork siomai. So let's go make some. So for our ingredients, we have half a pound of regular ground pork. Our spices would be 2 garlic cloves minced, 1 shallot minced, at least 2 tablespoons of cilantro, at least around 1/2 cup of shredded cabbage, 1 egg, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1/2 teaspoon freshly ground black pepper, few pieces of fresh shrimps, and of course our dumpling wrappers. We're just gonna put all our ingredients into our ground meat. Black pepper, half teaspoon salt, 1 egg, so for our shrimps, before we mix it with the rest of the ingredients, we are going to try to mince this or chop this really into bits or small pieces. So it's up to you how much shrimps you want to put in. I have at least around 6 pieces, I believe, of shrimps. We can add this into our pork and the rest of the ingredients, and then we'll mix this up. With clean hands, you can start mixing this all together. It smells so good. Even if it's not cooked yet, it's really smells good. We'll take 1 piece of our wrapper, and then we'll put in or spoon in our meat in the middle, just like that. And then you just push all into the middle and try to fold the wrapper just like this. And there you go. Press a little bit. There you go. Now you have 1. It's done. So guys, we're done wrapping our meat into our dumpling wrapper. So next we are going to put this in a steamer. But before we place our dumplings into our steamer, you have to brush some oil into the base of your steamer, just like that, so your dumpling wouldn't stick on it. Okay. Go. So we'll just put this like that. We don't want to put them really close to each other. Put a little bit space so they won't stick together. Okay. Like that. we'll be steaming this for 15 to 20 minutes. Okay guys, 20 minutes is over, and here's our dumplings ready and cooked.